Hey guys, today I've gathered all my iBloom squishies so we can do a collection video. I'll start with these mini toasts. This one comes in grape. This is the rainbow one. These ones are blind bags. Next, there are these iBloom peaches, and these are probably one, if not their most iconic squishies. And they come with this like netting, just like a real peach. So we have the one in pink. This is the medium size. And here is the one that's the regular color. It's really pretty. They also come in a mini size and a jumbo size, which we don't have. Next we have this marshmallow bear. This is the mini size. So cute. And it smells like strawberries. We have these, I think they're called ice pops. They're really cute. And they come with resealable packaging, which is great. Here's one in blue. Super soft. And here's the bear holding a strawberry. Next is this mini ice cream. And most of these I acquired in the last year or so. Some of them are older squishies, which I bought from Instagram sellers. This is the bread doll. It's even got wings. We have this pink penguin. It's like winking. And I actually have this blue one as well. And this one's got both eyes kind of shut. We have this strawberry. I think I got this in like a Cutie Creative Lucky Bag, which is awesome. I've got this pink croissant, which is so realistic, besides the fact that it's pink. And we have the one in Galaxy as well. I think I got this one from Squishy Station HK. This one is a collab between Deliteful Boutique and iBloom. It's snowy. And I think this comes in like 3 different colors. And this one is actually, I think, the Christmas version. Super cute. Got a couple of these angel bunnies, which I used to confuse with the Bunnies Cafe bunnies, but they are different. And here's the one in pink. So cute with a big bow. This one I think I got also in a Cute Creative bag. It's an apple, but it's like got a holder for a pen, because maybe you want to put your writing utensils in a squishy. I don't know what the thought behind that was, but it's kind of unique. And it's just so crazy squishy and malleable. This one is a pink fox, and I believe I got this from Curiana. Don't know if I'm saying that right. Curiana Squish on Instagram. Here's a newer one. It's one of the pineapples, and it smells like pineapple. I think this is the Aurora color. I think, I'm not sure. This definitely is Aurora color. It's the mini cheesecake. Kind of wishing that I got the original one in this size, but maybe I will in the future. Here's a melon pen bun. I think I also got one of these in a grab bag. We're almost done. This is a lollipop girl, and I got this from Van City Squishies. She's on Instagram. And I'll try to link some of these sellers in the description box below. I think this was one of my first iBloom squishies. And it's like a pancake cat or something. It smells so good. Got a pat of butter on it. It's so big. And it's so squishy. This one also comes in a chocolate and a butter. It's just so crazy squishy. Got one of these cotton candy bears. I think this one's like strawberry lemonade. And this one comes in a bunch of different colors too. This one is a BB bread. And I believe I got this in a grab bag too, but I can't remember where it was from. Might have been Popcorn Boxes. Thanks. Here is Roxy, the whale. Kind of smells like grape. Here is Billy. Just a warning that they do kind of stick together if you keep them close together. I usually keep them in packaging. Here's the mica pan bun. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but it's super, super squishy. This one comes in different colors, and they make a mini one too, which I don't have. And the last squishy I'm going to show you is maybe the most iconic squishy that iBloom makes is the iBloom cheesecake. And they have so many other squishies. There's like collection books, and I know there are a lot of collectors out there with way bigger iBloom squishy collections, but this is mine and I just wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.